Hello everyone! Today I am sharing with you my front porch makeover. Don't we all just love a good makeover? And I also want to share some budget-friendly tips on decorating a space. So grab yourselves a drink and let's get started. Okay, so here is what we are working with. And as you guys can see, we are in some great need of tender love and care. I really just began to neglect this space, and I do not like to do that. So that is why it was time to finally conquer this lovely little front porch. Here we are, all cleared off. So now it is time to clean off. And as you guys can hopefully see, this is a very narrow porch with the front door being on the side here. So we're working with a funny little angle, but it's all good. Let's get started with our budget-friendly tips. Tip number 1, save those plants. Lowe's has a clearance section of plants, you guys, so be sure to check that out because look at this one, $1. And while, yes, they are in need of some water and possibly some shade, you can bring these little babies back to life. So my huge suggestion to save money on plants is to do just that. Our next budget tip is to shop your own home. This means taking a look at things that are around your house, such as, especially in my case, home decor that you have an excess of. May that be vases, may that be indoor plants, or may it be even something just like this that you could use outside. And the next budget tip is to thrift. One of my favorite activities is to visit the thrift store because you're going to find, well, you really never know what you're going to find, but I really do think you are always going to find something that you could use for a great deal. And lastly, a major budget tip is to paint. If you are needing to save some money and you already have a great piece such as this chair, but it was looking a little worn and it needed a fresh coat of paint, typically, your can of spray paint is going to be a lot more affordable than buying a whole new chair. And I can't wait for you guys to see the major paint job that happened that really did help to transform our front porch.
All alone on the internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all infected.
Beautiful nighttime look. And I'm sure you guys notice I changed a few things. I needed more greenery. So I added more of my plants to the porch. I really just felt that it needed more. I love being surrounded by plants, and where I was cluttered with them before in this space, I am now surrounded by them in a much more pleasant way, and I have that tropical, lush feeling that I was looking for. I also added more of my plants that are in terracotta pots because I needed more warmth in the space. It felt a little too cool to me before, so by adding in some more of those browns and oranges and reds and even the pink hydrangeas really just gave more of that warm color to the space. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing if you are not, and also give this video a like if you enjoyed this makeover. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.